Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How significant, how important is the subject of Islam and science today for us as modern Muslims? In my opinion, the subject of Islam and science, or Quran and science, is by far one of the most significant, the most important, the most critical subjects that need to be dealt with by modern Muslims. Why? Because the world that we live in, the world that we are all part of, has literally rendered religion irrelevant. Religion can be comparable to something like a culture. Like we all belong to different cultures. You can have a different religion, whatever. It doesn't really make a difference. It doesn't really have a say in modern living. And this is by far one of the most significant things that modern living has done, which is to make religion irrelevant. And if we sort of zoom in and try to see what exactly is it that has done this act for modernity as such, it is science and technology. Science and technology defines modern life. It's just one thing about the modern way of living which is everywhere. You cannot help but be part of it. You cannot help but be exposed to it. And it is because of the advancements of science and technology that religion as such has taken a backseat. Like supernatural phenomena, like any sort of paranormal phenomena, or any folklore has taken, religion, unfortunately, all religions have been put into the same category and kept to the side. So this is precisely why the subject of Islam and science is of critical importance to make religion relevant again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How significant, how important is the subject of Islam and science today for us as modern Muslims? In my opinion, the subject of Islam and science, or Quran and science, is by far one of the most significant, the most important, the most critical subjects that need to be dealt with by modern Muslims. Why? Because the world that we live in, the world that we are all part of,